Hello, good evening, team. Thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. As you guys know, today is Thursday evening. Today we did pretty good. We shorted SPY. As you guys can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and break down exactly what ended up happening today. Okay, today. First of all, I'm Mr. Full Profit. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here. I'm just giving educational purpose. Again, you should be doing your own homework as well. But one thing I wanted to address here, as you guys could see, I know we mentioned that so many times, but I have to keep repeating. Guys, ladies, when it comes to trading, it's a pretty simple way. Yesterday, I made a little mistake when it comes to my trading as well. Not every day we follow our rules, but yesterday I got caught up a little bit on something, but I was able to bounce back. Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, let me go ahead and make it green, and let me go ahead and make that one red. Okay, this is what's going on here. As you guys know, today American Airlines, this is the 2-minute chart, right? Okay, I always tell you guys, always follow the trend. Okay, the 50 moving average is the green moving average. But remember, I always say the MACD is your friend. Okay, so today, I didn't trade American Airlines. I would just keep paying attention to it. But as you guys can see, pre-market, it went high. But remember, like I said before, when it comes to pre-market, you always got to look at all the highs, right? You draw a line to your high, so that way you don't make that kind of mistake. Okay, boom. Okay, that's the blue line. You could see open early in the morning, it went from 1232 to 1363, right? And as the market opened, what happened? It was a sell-off position. Now, whenever you do a sell-off position, two things that you could do if you're not sure, right? You could go ahead and start taking a put position, but make sure that your stop loss is tight. Okay, say that you would have took it here, you would have made your stop loss on top of the red candle and the green candle around the same high. And now all you have to do, just buy many contracts on puts and just let it run, right? But again, this wasn't a great start that I wanted to show you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys how I made my money today on SQQ. This was way better for me, right? If you look at this here, SPY under the 2-minute chart, before pre-market, you clearly saw that it was consolidating, right? So think about it. Way before market open, I see that it was getting weak and it fell below on the 50 moving average. And guess what? It fell below the 200 moving average and went down. And guess what happened? It bounced back to the 200 moving average, right? And I was able to take it from here, from 579 all the way down to 577. That's about $2 run. Again, we mentioned that before, team. You always can make money just trading ETF. Okay, so that was the plan. Follow the trend. If you see the market is going down and everything is staying below your 50 moving average, you're in great shape. As long as it's touching, it could go just a little bit up, but as long as it kept pushing back. But my key to know that it wasn't going nowhere is because the moving average under the MACD. Pay attention, team. Anytime it's under, is a downfall. Simple. Anytime that the candle goes under and reject and bounce and it's under, that's because it's on a downturn most of the time. All right. So again, if you wanted to get a put or call now after that long downside, guess what? You could have got it here. Remember what I said? Make sure you put another line to confirm it, right? On top of that candle. That's my pin bar candle. That's how I call it myself. You could call it anything that you want. But look, from here, you could have got a 576 run to 579. So, team, there is money, $2 downside. But my main concern that I have here is on that one, the weekly chart. Do I believe that the market is still on the upside? I strongly believe so. But again, we have to be diligent. We have to pay attention, okay, to what's happening in the market. Okay, this is a resistance that we had here. Okay, the now is gonna be a support level 575. Let me go ahead and draw it for you. I'm doing it quick. Okay, 575, and we had another one here, which was around what do you call it? About, I'll say about 565. Okay, you had one support. As a matter of fact, let's drop it lower. Around 563, 64. You had 1, 2, and now you have a support here. As it pull up, it bounced. Now it became a support. Okay. Now you gotta be able to know how to draw. So that became a resistant pullback, resistant pullback. It broke the resistance. It came back to a support level, bounced back. So now we have two areas. Now it could bounce again. We have to pay attention tomorrow. We need this to go above 581. Okay, 581 for SPY. So we could see if it's going upside. So now if we have that green candle confirmation tomorrow, then I guess we could be hopeful that it's gonna keep going up. And I could take it for another 1 week or 2 weeks out. Okay, but we still above the MACD, or it could potentially go all the way down to test the 563 support. Okay, so let's be diligent. Nothing is really fully guaranteed, but this is what we're gonna be discussing today. The ETF, how to trade it, how can we make easy money. I was able to get 37%. Beautiful move on that, and I checked out today pretty good, so I was happy. And again, the market was kind of rough today, but again, if you know what you're doing, you stay disciplined with the market, you always can make money. Okay, let's just check out NVDA. NVDA was about the same thing. Pretty much most of the ETF trade with the same kind of pattern. So it wouldn't matter if you would have took it at 141 put and you got about 138. That's about $3 run. So that's enough money. If you would have bought 100 contracts on a put position, then you would have made some good money as well. So NVIDIA, we have to pay attention to it. NVIDIA, it needs to break above 144 for us to know that it's fully back up running. But right now, let's see what happened. The market is volatile. There's a lot of stock, a lot of earnings coming in with different numbers, so it's a little bit difficult. All right. So again, stay tuned at Mr. Full Profit, and congratulations to the team, everybody that made some profit, and let's keep going. Let's keep going. All right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and I'll give you guys an update if any breaking news coming in. All right. So have a great night, and see you guys again. Thank you.